Hey, this looks good. Did you do this?
Yeah.
Nice work, man.
Thank you.
I like that. I like that.
I'm gonna end up rebuilding them. I threw them together real fast.
Ooh. Whoa, is that 3D printed?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Appreciate it.
I like that. I try to see details, sorry. It looks
it's
really
all
good.
right.
So, name real quick. You might have to shut the door. It's pretty loud. Sorry.
It's all good. My name's Cody Jones. I got 4 platinum Resilient Sound Platinum 18s on a MD 12K. I got the doors on a DS 1200x4. And I've only got a 40 amp hour battery right now. Got cells on the way, but it'd be a slower one.
Okay. Wow. You got optimal space with that box.
Yeah.
And you got the whole roof?
Yeah, I just finished this right now. I'm gonna actually go to C-pillar wall,
Okay.
a 6th order. I ended up just throwing the box back in.
Yes, sir. Okay. This looks really good. Did you?
Appreciate
I can
it.
smell the wood still. Did you just finish painting it, or is it?
That's probably.
That's probably this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
It ain't been long since I finished it.
Yes, sir. All right. Awesome. Wow. Can I see the back?
Yes.
That is impressive, dude. That's playing down really low. Wow. All right. Oh, wow. Thank you, man. Nice meeting you.
Yes, sir.
You too. Yes, sir.
To down on that mattress and let your legs embrace me. You can
So that was 21 hertz. Wow. That's low, man. just lay down on that mattress and let your legs embrace me. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.